like and subscribe. Oh, I can't see. Once again on the channel. Hello everyone. Today we begin a new adventure with something I have waited for a few months. You have just seen a video. It's arrived and today we start working. No mechanical upgrade, just body upgrade. I want to paint, I want to finish all the little things, the black, the silver parts, interiors. I would like to find a pilot. This is scale 112, Japan pilot perhaps, with a white head, could be nice. And most of all about the body upgrading, finishing, painting. How does it work? It's important, obviously, it's very funny, but there are a lot of videos about this. And I'm speaking obviously about this little truck. Comment, like and subscribe. 2 words about what you find in the box. In the special offer I have bought, there were 2 more batteries. I don't know if I will ever use 3 batteries, one from the other. Perhaps one is more than sufficient, but they were in the price. 51 US dollars, if you don't remember. Now it's 62. I was lucky. Battery charger, USB plug. These are good but not very safe. If you have a real battery charger, it's better. This is to place here. It's a sort of protection for the window when you are charged. Screwdriver. These are the lights for the indicator, the side indicator. They have to be painted. Rear mirrors. These 2 spare parts for the steering, I suppose, and this is very important for the transmission. We have stickers too. They are very nice, but I don't think that I will use them. I would like to find a Japanese plate, a real Japanese. So this we took away. This is more than sufficient, as we have one here and here. And this is what's in the box about the car. Radio is very little, few switch, interesting switch, and you have a screw here, take away the screw, and 2 AA batteries, just 2. And the thing is that this is not only matte, but it's grippy. It's wonderful to have in hand. Okay, this is about what you find inside the box. Later we will do a trial. What we are going to do today is undo all the car, as I have to paint with primer, and I was lucky, I found a yellow that it is quite the same. This is glossy, but it looks too much plastic. This is matte. They have made a work. There is quality. Glossy for the body, the inside of the trailer matte. It's good. I will do the same. I don't paint this part. Or if I paint, then I give you a matte finish. Then we will go into the interiors. I would like to do door panels. Where is it? You see, it's not nice, that yellow. door panels and not under the seats. It's nice to see the body under the seats. This is a working how do you say? Oh, my poor English. Lorry, little lorry. Okay. So, stop speaking, start working. Comment, like, and subscribe. You see, here we have room for the LED. Plug. We have a free plug. I don't know what is it for. So this is the chassis. This could be nice in metal color. This, it's okay. Gray is nice. Ball bearings. Ball bearings. This is very good. Servo. 3-wire servo. These are the springs. Engine. No diff, I told you. Now I have to discover where to bring current for the rear lights. This I would like to know what is it for. Okay, this is a problem. Now we have to take away all these black parts. It's just pressure. Okay. And this is another piece. Look, interior are very nice. It's easy to take them up. Then screws. I do have to remember that these screws with the washer are for okay. These two parts I have to paint. This, just this central part, maybe this in black, like this. Yes, these in black are better. These parts, yellow gray or black. But now I wash. Everything has to be washed. Ah, no, wait. Handles. Lost a handle. Here it is. Okay. This doesn't fear water. Okay. See you later. Comments, like and subscribe.